Expedition Standard provides you robust ECAD-MCAD integration. The token-based add-on extends this integration to support the most sophisticated use cases. Rigid Flex support allows you to transfer information such as bend areas and stack-up changes in flex regions. Variant assembly information created in Expedition Variant Manager can be passed to MCAD tools to view each variant assembly from a mechanical standpoint. These advanced capabilities use the latest IDX format, IDX 5.0. Within the Siemens portfolio, NX supports all of these features. Other MCAD tools may do less, depending on the level of IDX they support. For NX users only, 3D models associated to electronic components in the Expedition library can be passed to MCAD. These advanced ECAD-MCAD features enable you to perform the highest level of co-design available in the industry.